Off you now. Yeah, that was a passing train, Ben. You see, there's a passing. It means it's a passing train, right?
Yeah.
That's what you always have to do, Ben. And besides, it doesn't take too long to get back to working. It's quite quick, this one, isn't it? So, what?
Yeah.
Sit me down, mate. That's not too bad, isn't it? Don't worry, Caroline's power, see? Yeah. Just want to film the one more stretch of the line and get from Caroline into the station bit, you know what I mean? Besides, I've got a bit busy on Saturday, so gotta get me for that, you know what I mean, though. Yeah, now you get kind of feel the power it needs. You can hear it.
Chances are that Jack's asleep. So if you had a race, so say you sort of had particularly already Jack.
So yeah, Ben, if you miss one of the 825, you can also get the. I mean, the 1955, you can also get the 855. Okay.
Yeah.
But we should make that train the 1955, but just wait and see, okay?
Yeah.
Well, this has been much better than imagined, wasn't it, Ben? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, passing by at 56. Well, at least I've done 2 merchants this year. One thing you know what, Ben? If you did this Sherborne Strange Bell in June, right, I was looking forward to go behind that Black 5, you know. You know what we could have done, actually? We could have transferred to do the Dorset Coast Express instead, actually. We could have done that, actually. And I could just and I could have done Wednesday, just do my own business, you know what I mean, though? The following one to do my own business. But we didn't know what was going to happen, wasn't it? But we learned a valuable lesson. Guess what that is, man? Make sure you all stick together, isn't it?
Yeah.
Never forget that. Well, at least I've done Clan 9 now. Clan 9... At least you've done Clan 9 now, isn't it, Ben? On the... Sherborne Christmas Carol. I'll put you on the end of summer scene when it does happen, okay, Ben? But that will be 2 years from now, okay? What?
Yeah.
And after that, we'll do the we'll try to do more tours on top of that, okay? When we get back to Salisbury, we'll get some few more shots and then we'll get ready to go, shall we? What?
Yeah.
There's clubs and trumps. So if you clubs. Yeah. So you've got 2 points. You've got 5. If you only got, if you got less than 5, you get 1 point. You get 2 points.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do the raffle results now. If you'd like to get your tickets ready, I'll read out the winning numbers very shortly. Right, the first prize in today's raffle, that's 2 dining seats on a future railway touring company train. Orange ticket number 616. 616 orange. Second prize, bottle of champagne, green ticket number 59. 59 green. Third prize, Marks and Spencer's voucher, pink ticket 562. And finally the box of chocolates, grey ticket 418. So prizes again, prize numbers again in reverse order, 418 grey,
I just prefer just
562 pink,
focus what I'm doing here, you know what I mean?
59 green and 616 orange. Thanks to everybody who took part in today's raffle. Prizes will be coming round shortly.
Yeah, so when you've got all your points, then we yeah, there is a written act to play this. You want to play it or you want to play snap? There is a special and if you cut it
Thank you.
Yeah, get in there. You okay? How are you?
You alright? Yeah, I'm good, mate. You?
Yeah.
Had a good day?
Yeah, it's been good.
Did you go down to Yeovil or?
No, Sherborne. We did the carol concert.
Ah, right, cool.
It was good though. I mean, nice to see the engines, nice to see the carols and everything. Pretty good.
Excellent. That's good.
Well, my friend Ben did try to pay for that other thing. He was trying to pay for that thing.
Cool.
But he struggled a bit.
Say again?
He was trying to pay for those things he bought on the outward to Yeovil.
Yeah.
It didn't work, didn't it?
The card machine. What, the payment?
Yeah.
So you
Because
It looks, to be honest. Have you got a card?
Yeah,
Do you know how much it was?
it was $12.50.
$12.50. So I didn't even notice I didn't get food, didn't I? So what I can do now, I've got a card machine.
I hope it works this time because I used to repair car quite often back in 2018, but I can't because I'm working.
Yeah. There we go.
What do you mean? It's just
2 seconds, 2 seconds.
you can just tap it when you make.
Now, there we go.
Tap it.
Just tap on that.
There you go.
There you go. You got.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, it was good. I could have something just to make sure.
Thanks for that.
Yeah, because it was not easy when you try to buy something, isn't it? I mean, I have seen it before though. I mean, you know those old card machines, you put those old machines and you put a card in, you put it in there, and you think sometimes your card does go through, but sometimes it doesn't even bloody bother, isn't it? I mean, I have seen it before though, actually. And every time you do, you always felt gutted or miserable, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what? I went to Durham this year to see Castle en route to Newcastle.
Oh, nice.
But unfortunately, it didn't go well because, you know why? Signal problems at, guess what? There were signal problems at Birmingham area. So the Lord train that seemed charged at 8 went far as York. And I was gutted.
Yeah, absolutely. I would have been. I've got to jump forward because we're nearly at Salisbury.
Yeah, sure. Right, catch you later. There you go. Help there, didn't I, Ben? Yeah, we're back on double track now, Ben. Double track now, all the way back to the capital. Green signal all the way.
Or if you've got 1 point, you do that. Oh, I see, that's the swap card. Yeah.